Here's the Neo 2 on the landing pad by the ledge.
This was not a good idea. It's windier than I expected. I wanted to test the Neo 2 in wind conditions, but this is more than I asked for.
It's very windy today. Wind's about 20 to 40 miles an hour, so I'm not going to go up high. I'm just going to fly around a little bit and check things out. I'm also going to make a video for a friend of mine that's a subscriber to my channel, and he wanted to know how the Neo 2 does in the wind, so we're going to find out.
Okay, the Neo is set to take off. And as you see, after it takes off, it's being blown around a little bit, quite a bit. You can see the tree branches blowing. Then I got it up a little bit. Right away I got a strong wind warning. Then I get a little battery, return to home. And returning to home was interesting to say the least. As you can see, it is being blown around quite a bit. And almost got blown into some tree branches. Fortunately, I did make it home safe and sound. But certainly it was a little bit stressful. I had high wind warning and low battery. Not a good combination. I decided this would be a short test due to the wind, so I did a little bit of an orbit just to see how that would work. It was difficult because of the wind, but I managed it, and then I decided I would do a hand catch and kind of conclude the test for the day.
Okay, I've been to Lake Park. I filmed some stuff, and I'm going to head home. It was a sort of successful day. The wind isn't really bad, but I got some good footage with the Neo 2 in the wind, so that's good.
Here we are back in the office after a day of testing, high winds, and the Neo 2 did a great job. It had its tense moments, returning home and almost running into a tree or getting blown into a tree, but overall it did a great job. This is part of the Drone Freedom series, and I hope you watch the rest of the videos that are associated with this, and there'll be more. One of the videos talked about stress and how to avoid stress and not flying in high winds and not returning home with a low battery. We did both of those yesterday, and it was stressful. But thank you for watching. Please feel free to comment.